Hey guys, new updates! And I heard in the Discord server that it's some type of creator update. What? So, creator update. Yay! I haven't seen it for myself. So, true reactions only. Let's get started. Yo, I already see something. What is this? Peel deal pack. Something banana. Sometimes banana is the answer. Wiggly banana peel sale. 1,500 company coins for only $7.99. Galaxy pack. Animal parts are cool. Get them before they are gone. Alien eyes. Galaxy yacht. Yo! The Galaxy yacht. You guys know that this is only for content creators, I think. And also, I thought the creator studios were gonna be over there in the office, but I think since they're not there, they might be bringing them back. Oh, I see something over there. Okay, let's go to the creative studios. Wait, is this Demon Slayer? Wow! Toma Akaza Kibutsuchi. I really wanted them to partner with Demon Slayer. Let's go! We got the Venom set. We got the Daybreak set. I might buy all these, bro. Nightshade set. Drop your answers in the comments. Which one do I look the drippiest in? Here. I'll just show you. I'll just show you guys. Okay. I think it's here. Yeah. Okay. Wait. I gotta scroll to them. Where are they? Oh, I think it's outfits. This one, yo, they got ear accessories. Oh my gosh, wow, that one looks drippy. The Venom set, this one looks so cool. Okay, yo, we got the Daybreak set and the Blossom set. They're all 30% off right now. I think I look the coolest one is definitely the Venom set and the Nightshade set. Bro, I need company coins, which I could buy from that $14 pack. Wait, that gives me a strat. Okay, then, let's go into the creative studios. Wow, it's all run down. It's like... Okay, let me... Wait. Did you guys hear that? It's echoing. Echo! Bruh. Wow, we got little apple slices chips. Yo, from the Haunted Mansion. Yo, wait, I might have to grab a grappler for this just because. Let me go get a grappler. There we go. Yippee! Wow. Oh my god. Oh, you can't use stuff. Okay. Goodbye, grappler, I guess. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Close set. Do not enter when red lights are on. That's so weird. We got green screens. Blue-green. Perfect color. And then tracking markers. Oh, wow. Let's just change it to green. And then we're gonna do... Guys, I'm on a green screen. Wow. I'm on a green screen. Oh, there's like a buying machine thing. So, hey guys. I basically on a green screen. I don't know. I might make the video or YouTube short where well, I'm on a green screen. See where you guys put me next. So I can get remixes, I guess. I don't know. Next, we got this area. Gas station. What do you got in this 7-Eleven? I'm King Kong. Oh. I want to see if I can be like a little civilian. I gotta eat so much broccoli for that. Gotta eat. Eat. Oh, okay, here we go. A little bit more. 2 more. Is this it? Oh! Wait. I'm still not the size yet. It's literally like, when I put it on my hip, it literally just sends me flying. Okay. 2 more, I guess. No. So, I don't think I'm the right size. I gotta it's gonna reset soon, so. I think, is it ready? I think like 1 more. Oh, now I gotta fling myself. No, I'm too small. Okay, let's go then to the mini city, which I think is gonna take a big old walk. Oh, sorry that white stuff. It's like very glitchy when you. Do I have like a bag on me or something? Oh my god, no. It's like a mile walk, bro. Oh my gosh. Let's try and make it to the Miniville. I think mini broccoli, I don't think it expires here. It's a little. Oh my god. No, it expires. Try to make it, but as you could guys, as you could see, it didn't work. Oh. Okay. Next we have this area. Oh wow, Canopy News. I don't got the camera mod, so it's just gonna have to be like, hey, today's Canopy News. Recording live. We have the catastrophic King Kong Godzilla monster. Mr. Skipperman 8, would you like to pick us up from here? Yes, sir. As you can see, the big Godzilla monster is heading for our best creation yet. The I don't know tower. I don't know. We got a hospital. Wait. Oh, I thought you could enter from there. It was like a secret little map. I know. So we got Canopy News. I think it's gonna be a pretty good scene, like for like Godzilla type of movie thing. But what is this? It's like a maze. Whoa! It's like a little mini map or something. Yo! Got J-Man! Yo! We got J-Man! Oh, it's a podcast, I think. Hey guys, welcome back to the Monkey Podcast. Today we have here J-Man Curly, and I'm very excited. J-Man, are you? Yes, sir, definitely. We got the flag here and stuff like that. Yeah. Okay. Let's go on to the next room. We have nothing there, and also some rooms there. Just the biggest rooms. This is a whole giant warehouse with the stash? Yo, this is sick. Wait, does my voice echo? Yo, that's cool. That's it's literally echoing. Wait, I'm not gonna show you my whole stash, but let's see, what would be a good, yeah. Wow. Oh, we got a mega flashlight. Perfect. That's cool. I love this warehouse. This warehouse is cool. This could also be used for a movie because it has a couch and Coke cans. I mean, Coke machines. Next, whoa! What? This is so sick, bro. What? I just jumped out the window. Okay. Yo, this is my house, guys. As you can see, I got a gaming machine here. I got my friend Jimmy, Jobby, and Jufus. This is Jufus. This is Jafus. This is whatever. But yeah, very nice podcast. You know, I have all these subscriber plaques and also this stash picture. So yeah. Okay. And this area is closed off. There's a lot of areas that are closed off. What's up here? Okay, nothing. So, this is like the whole new studio update. I really like it. Like, I like this like whole scene with all these like cool like maps and stuff like that. You can't use grapplers in here because of this man. Yeah. Okay. Let's go see something else. I've got like a little. Wait, what? What? Canopy Reality Division. Oh. What? It's like between maps. Very weird. Well, yeah, that's kind of it, you guys. Really liked this new update. This new update brings a lot of cool features. I don't know what that, like, what is this? What is this thing about? Is there more of it? I don't know. But, okay. So this is super weird. Can we get into the company Canopy Reality Division? Wait, what if I throw something in there? Wait. Just seeing. I really like the Demon Slayer. Like, I was hoping for these to come soon. Like, I was hoping, like, what if they add Demon Slayer? What if they collab with Demon Slayer? Like, you know? Yeah. And they did it. Thank you, Animal Company. Okay, let's do this. What the heck? It like bounced back or something. Maybe I glitched it. Guys. No, I didn't glitch it. This is so weird, bro. What the heck? Did it damage me? Okay. So yeah, very weird. But that's kind of it. Goodbye, guys.